Guys, I hope I find you well. So the last time we posted a video of this engine, WL 2.5 Ford Ranger engine. It was still on the floor whilst we were testing, so now it's on the vehicle. I would like you to hear how it is sounding. Mr. Nzou, can you start for us, please?
Okay.
Let's hear how it's sounding. One kick, sounding very fine. Sounding very fine. Yes, there it is. This is what we do. This is what we do. So it's ready to leave as soon as the final checks are done. But as you can see, everything is working on well. Can you rev a little bit? Oh yeah! Tango! This is what we do at Nzou Auto Mechanics.